I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through how to share on Google Drive. If you plan to share multiple items with the same person or group of people, the best practice would be to create a shared folder. With a shared folder, you won't have to share any files within the folder. Anyone with the folder will be able to access all files inside. To create a shared folder, either use an existing folder or create a new one up here. I'm going to title mine Groups. After that, if you've created a new folder or you have a folder in mind, right-click the folder, go to Share, and then in this box here, type in the name of the people or the name of the groups that you would like to share this folder with. You can change their permissions over here from Editor, Viewer, or Commenter only. Then select Send. Now that the folder has been shared, as stated previously, all files placed within this folder will automatically be shared with everyone you shared the folder with. This eliminates the need to share new documents or files. Simply either go within the folder and create a new document within here, or you can drag and drop already existing files into this folder. You can also select multiple different files at once to drag in. Be sure to select Move. And now all of these have automatically been shared with everyone you shared the folder with.